So this is part 1 of learning TensorFlow from scratch. So before you go into TensorFlow, you must understand what is a tensor. Tensor, you can call it as a container that holds numbers, and it also remembers how the numbers are arranged. This arrangement is known as dimension, or you can also call as rank of the tensor.
Okay, so let's see this in TensorFlow. TensorFlow converts normal Python data into tensors so it can work with them. So here I have imported TensorFlow as TF. Now here I am creating tensor from a single number because this value has no direction, no rows, no columns. TensorFlow calls it a zero dimensional tensor. You can also call this as a scalar. And that's why here when I print scalar.end dimension, ndim, it gives me 0. Okay, now I pass list of numbers. A list has one direction, that is length. So TensorFlow treats this as one dimensional tensor. Also you can call it as vector. That's why when I print vector.ndim, it returns 1. Then here the data is arranged in rows and columns. This structure has two directions, rows and columns. So TensorFlow calls this a two-dimensional tensor or a matrix. That's why matrix.ndim gives me 2. This tensor, whereas, has multiple matrices stacked together. Stacking adds another dimension. So this becomes a three-dimensional tensor.
So now you clearly see what a tensor is. TensorFlow converts all the data that you pass to it into tensor before processing it. In the next part, we will see some more ways to create tensors. Follow along.